from R.D. Sharma, class 7th, mathematics, chapter number 5, operation on rational number. In that, topic is subtraction of rational number. If a by b and c by d are two rational number, then subtracting c by d from a by b means adding additive inverse of c by d to b by a by b. The subtraction of c by d from a by b is written as a by b minus c by d. Thus we have a by b minus c by d equal to a upon b plus minus c upon d. This is the additive inverse. Now see with example, if we have to subtract 3 by 2 from 5 by 2. We have to subtract 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So directly we can write 5 minus 3 upon 2, which is 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 1s are. So equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. Exercise 5.2, question number 1. Subtract the first rational number from the second in each of the following. Now first rational number we have to minus from second. So what is the equation? 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. This is then. Now let us solve it. First one, what we have to do? 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8, which is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 8, which is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 8. Do in simplest form, which is 2 1s are and 2 4s are 8. So 1 upon 4 is the answer. Let us see the third one. Now we have to minus first one from second one. So what will come? Minus 9 upon 11 minus 2 upon 11. So it will become minus 9 upon 11 minus 2, 11 common. Okay. So we'll take minus plus 2 upon 11. So 9 minus 2 is minus 7 upon 11. Why minus? Because here minus is there. Here the number is minus, so we have to take minus sign. So minus 7 upon 11 is the answer. Now let us see question number 2. Evaluate each of the following. Now simple minus we had given. Now we have to do a minus form. That how to do, just see. First one, question number 2. First one question is 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. Now same as the addition form, first we have to make the LCM same. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So 3 into 5 and 5 into 3, which is equal to 5 to the 10 upon 15 minus 5 3 3 is 9 upon 15. So equal to 10 minus 9 upon 15, which is equal to 1 upon 15 is the answer. Now let us see second one. Second one question is minus 4 upon 7 minus 2 upon minus 3. Okay. So if it is minus in denominator, we always written in a middle one. So minus 4 upon 7 minus 2 upon 3. Now we'll make the denominator same. LCM is 21. So 7 into 3 and 3 into 7 minus 3 4 3s are minus 12 upon 7 minus 7 2s are 14 upon 21. Here 21 it is there. Okay. Now minus 12 minus 14 upon 21. So minus plus, so equal to minus 12 plus 14 upon 21. So equal to minus 12 plus 14 plus minus 14 minus 12 is 2 upon 21. Why plus? Because here 14 is greater, so sign should be in greater. So 2 upon 21 is the answer. Now let us see the third one, that is 4 upon 7 minus 5 upon minus 7. So here 4 upon 7 and minus we have to cancel because it is cancellation, so minus cancel. So what is the question? 4 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. Both the denominators same, so directly we can minus. So 4 minus 5 equal to upon 7. So minus 1 upon 7 is the answer. Okay. Now another one, fourth one. Question is minus 2 minus 5 upon 9. Now here nothing in the denominator means 1. So what is the question? Minus 2. Here we have to multiply with 9 and 1. LCM 1 and 9 is 9. So minus 9 into 2 is minus 18 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9. So equal to minus 18 minus 5 upon 9. So minus plus 18 plus 5 is minus 23 upon 9. So minus 23 upon 9 is the answer. Now let us see the third one. Question 3. The sum of the two number is 5 upon 9. If one of the number is 1 upon 3, find the other number. Now sum means we have to plus. Okay, plus one number is given which is 1 by 3. The answer should be equal to 5 by 9. Other number, next number, whichever we have to plus, so that let it equal to x. The other number be x. So what is our equation? 1 by 3 plus x equal to 5 by 9 is the equation, right? First number is 1 by 3, other number we had suppose x and equal to 5 by 9. Let us solve this. First of all, what I am writing, that let the other number be x. Okay, whichever we have to find, I am taking that x. And the sum of 2. Now form the equation that first number is 1 by 3 plus x equal to 5 by 9. Now this we have to solve it. We have to find the x. So x equal to 5 by 9 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 9 and 3 is 9. 3 3 za 1 za 3 1 za 1 za. So LCM equal to 9. So 9 into 1 and 3 into 3. Therefore x equal to 5 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9. Therefore x equal to 5 minus 3 upon 9. Therefore x equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 9. So the other number is 2 by 9 is the answer. Okay, so at last what we will write, therefore the other number is 2 by 9. Question number 6. The sum of two rational number is minus 8. If one of the number is minus 15 upon 7, find the other. Now here also the same one. The sum of two rational number is sum which is equal to minus 8. Right? One number is minus 15 upon 7. Sum we have to sum means plus. Other number we have to find out. That means x. Let the other number be x, then we have to form the equation. Let us do it. Question number 6. Let the other number be x. Then form the equation. Equation is sum is minus 8 and one number we had given which is minus 15 upon 7 plus x equal to minus 8. So x equal to minus 8. This is minus, so it will become plus 15 upon 7. Here nothing means 1. LCM is 7. So 1 into 7 and 7 into 1. Therefore x equal to minus 8 into 7 is minus 56 upon 7 plus 15 upon 7. Therefore x equal to minus 56 plus 15 upon 7. Therefore x equal to minus 56 plus 15 plus minus we have to do. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. What will come sign? Minus upon 7. So answer is minus 41 upon 7. Okay. So therefore the other number is minus 41 upon 7. Question number 7. What should be added to minus 7 upon 8 so as to get 5 upon 9? Now what should be added? Let that number be x to minus 7 upon 8. So if it is x plus minus 7 upon 8 to get means equal to 5 upon 9. This is your equation. Let us solve this. Let the number be x. Then the equation form that what should be added to means that number is x plus minus 7 upon 8 equal to 5 upon 9. Therefore x equal to 5 upon 9 in minus 7 upon 8. Okay. Therefore x equal to 5 upon 9 minus plus 7 upon 8. Now LCM 9 and 8 is 72. So 9 8s are and 8 9s are. Therefore x equal to 8 5s are 40 upon 72 plus 7 9s are 63 upon 72. Therefore x equal to 40 plus 63 upon 72. Therefore x equal to 36103 upon 72. So at last what we have to write? The number is 103 upon 72 is the answer. Question number 10. What number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 3 to get minus 5 upon 6? Now what number should be subtracted from minus 5 upon 3? Now here if we take the number should be, let the number should be x from minus 5 upon 3 to get 5 upon 6. Now we have to minus x from this number. So what is our equation? Minus 5 upon 3 minus x equal to 5 upon 6. Okay, this is our equation. So let us solve this. Now here let the number be x, and what is our equation? We have to subtract x from, I am writing the statement, x from minus 5 upon 3 to get 5 upon 6. So what is our equation? Minus 5 upon 3 minus x equal to 5 upon 6. So let us solve this. Minus x equal to 5 upon 6 minus become plus 5 upon 3. LCM of 6 and 3. So 2 3s are 3, 3 1s are. So LCM is 6. So 6 into 1 and 3 into 2. So therefore minus x equal to 5 upon 6 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 6. Therefore minus x equal to 5 plus 10 upon 6. Therefore minus x equal to 15 upon 6. We can cancel it by 3. 3 2s are 3, 5s are. Therefore minus x equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore x equal to 5 upon 2. What is our last statement? Therefore the number is 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. Okay. Because here it is minus, it will goes over here. So answer is minus 5 upon 2. Question number 12. what should be added to 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 to get minus 5 upon 15? Okay, same way, but here you had given here addition. We have to add x. Let the number be x plus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 upon 5 to get means equal to minus 2 upon 15. So our equation is what should be added to, so x plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 which is equal to minus 2 upon 15. Let us solve this. So let the number be x. So what is our equation? X plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 which is equal to minus 2 upon 15. Okay, now solve this as what we will do, this whole number will take over here rational number. So therefore x equal to minus 2 upon 15, this plus become minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, now open the bracket, minus 2 upon 15 minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 5. Now take the LCM of all three which is 15. So 15 ones are 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are. So equal to minus 2 upon 15 minus 5 2s are 10 upon 15 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 15 which is equal to minus 2 minus 10 minus 9 upon 15. So equal to minus 2 minus 10 means plus, so minus 12 so minus plus, so plus 12 minus 12 minus 9 is minus 21 upon 15. Now by 3 we can cancel it, 3 5s are and 3 7s are, so equal to minus 7 upon 5. Therefore x equal to minus 7 upon 5 is the answer. So therefore the number is minus 7 upon 5. Now let us see question number 30. What should be added to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 to get 3? Now what should be added means x plus this whole number plus equal to 3. So let us see. Question number 30. Let the number be x. So equation is x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 equal to 3. The whole rational number I am taking here which is x equal to 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So therefore x equal to 3 minus, open the bracket, minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Now here nothing means 1. Now what is the LCM? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 is the LCM. So 31 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10 and 5 into 6. So let us do it. 3 3s are 90 upon 30 minus 15 upon 30 minus 10 upon 30 minus 6 upon 30. So 90 minus 15 minus 10 minus 6 upon 30 which is equal to 90 minus 15 with 90 minus 5 is 75 and 75 minus 10 is 65 and 65 minus 6 is 59 upon 30. Therefore x equal to 59 upon 30. So last statement is therefore the number is 59 upon 30. Let us see the question number 14th one. What should be subtracted from 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 to get minus 6 upon 1 upon 6? Now see, what should be subtracted? That number should be x from 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 upon 6. So first will come 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 from means here minus x to get minus 1 upon 6. So let us solve this. Question number 14. 3 by 4, let the number be x. Okay, and the statement is x from 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 to get minus 1 upon 6. So x first will come 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 from minus x equal to minus 1 upon 6. Now this whole rational number we will take over here. So what we will add? Minus x equal to minus 1 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So let us solve this. The minus 1 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4 minus plus 2 upon 3. Now we'll take out 6, 4 and 3 LCM. 6, 4, 3. Okay, so 2, 3s are 6, 2s are 3s are 2, 3, 1s are and 3, and then 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. Now LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now 12 is LCM, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. So minus 2 upon 12 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 12 and plus 4 2s are 8 upon 12. So minus 2 minus 9 plus 8 upon 12. So equal to minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11. Minus 11 plus 8 is 3 minus 3 upon 12. So 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So minus 1 upon 4 is the minus x equal to minus 1 upon 4. Therefore x equal to 1 upon 4 is the answer. So last statement is therefore the number is 1 upon 4. Now let us do the question number 15. We just have to simplify minus 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 4 minus 7 upon 4. Okay, let us solve it. Now we will take out the LCM. In upper question also we are taking LCM only. So 4 4 here same, but here is not. So what is the LCM? 4. So 2 into 2, 1 and 1. So what is will come? 4 3 2s are minus 6 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 minus 7 upon 4. So minus 6 plus 5 minus 7 upon 4. So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So equal to minus 2 is the answer. Let us do the third one. Third one, LCM will take out of 4, 6 and 3. So 4, 6, 3. 2, 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 3, 3 and 3, 1, 1, 1. LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 6 3s are 4 3s are 6 2s are 12 and 3 4s are, which is equal to 5 3s are 15 upon 12 minus 14 upon 12 minus will take as plus 2 4s are 8 upon 12. So equal to 15 minus 14 plus 8 upon 12, which is equal to 15 minus 14 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 upon 12. 3 3s are 3 4s are. So answer is 3 upon 4. Let us do filling the blanks. Okay, second one, minus 9 upon 14 plus dash equal to minus 1. If we'll take as x, we'll find the value of x. So let us do it. Instead of blanks, I am taking x. So minus 9 upon 14 plus x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1. This minus become plus upon 14. Okay. Therefore, x equal to, here nothing means 1. LCM is 14. So multiply by 14 and this is by 1. So minus 14 upon 14 plus 9 upon 14. So equal to minus 14 plus 9 upon 14, which is equal to, so answer is minus 5 upon 14. Therefore x equal to minus 5 upon 14. So answer here is minus 5 upon 14. Now fourth one, less I'll taking x plus 15 upon 23 equal to 4. So x equal to 4 minus 15 upon 23. So here nothing means 1. Multiply by 23 and multiply by 1, which is equal to 23 into 4 is 92 minus 15 upon 23 upon 23. So here 92 minus 15 upon 23, which is equal to 77 upon 23. Therefore x equal to 77 upon 23. So I am writing here 77 upon 23 is the. Thank you for watching this video.